As you can see, Birchbox unboxing as well as the Ipsy. So this is going to be for January. Birchbox is $10 a month and you get 5 sample size items. And then Ipsy is also $10 a month and you also get 5 items. But they range from bigger sizes to smaller sizes. Birchbox usually has smaller samples. Ipsy usually does a little bit better. They both have a profile that they're supposed to go by. The big difference with Birchbox is that you could actually choose one of the samples each month. They give you a choice of 3 and you could pick one of those or be completely surprised or pick their curated box. And then with Ipsy, of course, you know, that is just something that they go by your profile. So I'm going to put this one to the side and we're going to go with January's Birchbox first. And this is the box of the month. When you open it up, it will have the card on the top and it says here, hello 2019 from Birchbox newbies. Hi to longtime best friends. Here's a refresher on how to make the most out of your boxes. And then it gives you the information like I was saying. You can update your beauty profile. You can pick a sample. You get 10% back in points, but I am a Birchbox ace, so I get a few more points. Kind of like Sephora Rouge, how that goes. And then you review your samples. And that one is a big one. They say they really go by the reviews. And then on the other side, of course, you get a list of all the products and the full-size prices. So we have the first thing here, which is from the brand Design Me. This is the Fab Me hair treatment. The full size of this is $24.50. It says, mist this treatment from your roots to your ends before styling for hair that's heat protected, smoothed, and strengthened, making it more youthful long term. The next thing is something that we see quite often. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and this is the Pore Minimizing one. This is $39 for the full size. This photo-ready primer minimizes the appearance of pores, absorbs excess oil, and extends the wear of your makeup. You can see that this is kind of like the Benefit Professional. The next thing here is a mascara. It's from Beautynique Beauty. It's their Nourishing Mascara, and the full size is $19.90. Thicken, lengthen, plus strengthen lashes with each coat of this vitamin E, camellia, and almond oil formula. The oversized brush makes sure to grab each lash from root to tip. So it's packaged pretty nicely, and I'm not going to open it because I have a couple of mascaras that I'm using. And if I open this one too, it will dry out. This is something that I have tried before. It's from the brand Sand and Sky. It's the Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. The full size of this is $49. And as a crazy person, I actually did purchase the full size of this last year. And it's pretty good. It's not the best in my opinion, but it is a good mask. It says detoxify and brighten your complexion with this mask made from Australian kaolin clay, organic aloe vera, and kakadu plum. Apply to clean skin, let sit for 10 minutes, and then rinse. Last thing in my Birchbox is this really little itty bitty under eye brightening serum from Arrow, and I like this brand. I believe this is a Birchbox exclusive. This is in the shade medium deep. I put my skin tone as medium deep. They don't give like a tan option. It goes from medium to medium deep. When I had my skin tone as medium, the shades they were sending me were way too light. So I set it to medium deep, thinking that that would be like their tan option. It says, consider the skincare meets makeup pen your morning savior, made with ginseng and caffeine. This serum depuffs, soothes, and provides light coverage to brighten your under eyes. And the full size of this is $18. It have a seal on it, which I do appreciate. The Photo Finish Primer did not have a seal. I'm wondering if this is like the Tatcha Pearl, because that's what I use every day. It's a little dark. So you can see that's definitely too dark for me. I'm gonna try this in another way and see how it works, but it's probably gonna be too dark for under the eyes. All right, so that's it for the Birchbox. Let's put this aside. Ipsy bag is pretty filled up because I did purchase some extra products, so I will show you those first. This is what the bag looks like for January. I'm not really too into it at all. It's not wintry at all. It just seems like summer. Ipsy now allows you to purchase up to 3 extra samples in your bag each month, and I did go ahead and purchase 3 things. The first thing I purchased was this, and it's this clear spot control, and it's supposed to help with breakouts. When you feel a blemish forming, you put it directly on the blemish for 30 seconds, repeat up to 3 times. So it has like a lot of botanicals and herbs in it. I also purchased this, which I have been dying to try because I've heard such good things about it. This is that Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and it seems like a good size to try out. That is what it looks like. It kind of looks like coconut oil. And the last but not least is from Ciate London. This is the Wonder Wand Mascara, and I've been wanting to try this too. So these were the 3 extras that I purchased. I mean, I probably would say that these are not worth $3 a piece. Definitely not. Considering you get a bag of 5 for $10, I just spent $9 for 3. So not really the best value, but it is fun that you can do that now. So let's get into the bag itself. Now the first thing was outside of the bag because it was too big. This is from Ilimasqua. It's a coloring pencil. I don't even know if I said that right, so forgive me if I pronounced that completely wrong. It's an eyeliner, I'm sure, and it's in the shade Honor. Instead of it being black, which is what we always seem to get, I'm glad that it's brown. And it is just a pencil that you can sharpen, so this will last a long time. This is full size, so that's one of the things I like about Ipsy is you do get full size products sometimes. It does go on pretty smoothly, so you can probably smudge this out if you wanted to. This is from Ahava. This is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in Sea Kiss. This is a good size for a hand cream. I love this brand. Their hand cream is amazing. I have like a white bottle, a full size of it. I've had it for a long time too. I use it every single night on my hands because they're so dry. This does have a seal, so I'm not going to open it up. This is from the brand VDL, which I've never heard of. It's the Luma Layer Primer. All right, so we got a primer. It's a 5 milliliter bottle, and it's in Korean. Okay, so it's a K-beauty item. Definitely not filled to the top. I can't even like get any out. Oh, now I got way too much out. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and I completely pushed out too much. So that actually went in really nicely into the skin, and it does have a little bit of a glow to it and a slight shimmer. Not too bad. I actually like these. I use this on the outer perimeter of my face, and I do like more of a pore fill-in primer on the like T-zone area. This is from Fluid. This is a lip gloss. It looks blue, but it's actually a clear, very shiny lip gloss. And the last but not least is from Yensa. It's the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. It says it gently exfoliates skin, pumpkin brightens skin, turmeric soothes skin, and ginger evens skin tone, papaya helps with discoloration. And then you would put it on damp skin, clean damp skin, relax, and leave on 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm excited about this because I had a turmeric mask that I received from Ipsy a couple months back, and it was amazing. It really, really does calm any inflammation you have and any kind of breakouts. So that's it for Ipsy. I do like the different variety of products we received. And then of course, you know, I went ahead and got those extra 3 products. So I was really happy with Ipsy for the month of January. Keep a lookout. I am going to be posting a Sephora Play unboxing. And go ahead and go onto my Instagram. I am having a giveaway. And all the information and my link to Instagram will be in the description box below. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.